Hi everyone, this is Terry. Last week I purchased a Luminaire and there was a bundle of that came with the machine that included PE Design 11. I've used PE Design many years ago, but I also own Bernina machines, so I use the Bernina software and I'm fairly proficient in it. I am not proficient in PE Design 11 and I hope to become better. But this is the first of a series of videos that I will be recording and I hope it helps you. The first thing, when you open your software, you should see this screen that has a wizard, and you can do several things from this screen. I'm going to close the wizard because I have a couple of things to show you. Right here you see the hoop, and on the hoop, if you click it, it'll open up this box, and this is where you tell the software whether you have a single needle machine or a multi-needle machine, and you can select the hoop size for your design page. I want to leave it at 9.5 by 9.5. You can also change the background color of the screen and the background color of the page. I want to leave it on white for this exercise. Now, there are many designs that are built into the software, and what you can do is you can choose where you want to import your designs from. I want to choose from the design library that's built into the software, and I also want to choose from animals. Let's just go ahead and select this elk, or maybe it's an antelope. And when it comes up on your screen, you'll notice that there is a box around it. From this box, you can grab one of the corners and you can make the design larger proportionally by dragging the handles. You can also rotate the design by clicking on the red circle. I want to choose undo, and I will leave the design like this. Now what I want to do is go into background fills, and in the background fills I have a choice of echo, stippling, decorative fills. This should look familiar to you because particularly if you own a Dream Machine or you own a Luminaire. Let's click on echo fill, and now let's click the background and choose next. In our machine, there is one type of background fill, and that is the echo. And let's choose update preview, and this is what the fill looks like. You can change it to running stitch or another stitch, and if you want to see what echo clip looks like, let's update it. And this is the echo. And actually, I think this is the one that's in the machine. Like I said, I picked my machine up. It hasn't even been a week ago, so I don't remember which of the two is built into the machine. But you can change several things on the screen. You can change the offset. You can change the stitch type between a running, triple, or a chain stitch. And there are two chain stitches. Like on the triple stitch, you can actually change the run pitch, which means stitch length, and you can do the same on the regular running stitch. Let's go back to previous, and let's choose stipple. And now let's choose next. And this should look familiar as well. Run pitch, I should be in millimeters because I really don't know stitch lengths in inches. But let's change the spacing of this to 0.35 or 0.30 and choose update preview. And you can see that you now have a larger stipple. Let's change it to 0.5 just to see what that looks like, and choose update preview. And this would probably look like something that you would stipple if you were doing a free motion. That looks nice. Let's choose previous. Now let's go to decorative fill. And again, because I have the crosshatch in the background, I can choose next. And this should look very familiar to those of you who have a Dream Machine or a Luminaire. When you open this folder, you'll notice several decorative patterns. And these decorative patterns are patterns, many of which are built into the machine. You'll notice that it goes to 54, and I created my own pattern as well, and I'll show you that in a separate video. Let's just choose one of the designs, and we'll choose this one and click OK. And now you can see what this would look like with the decorative fill. Let's make that larger. And update the preview.